Hi, I'm Johanna Rothman, and this is 60 Seconds of Johanna's Writing WIP for May 24, 2024, where I read an excerpt of just a minute of some writing in progress. This excerpt is from the speaking book. Think of a public workshop as a taste of your private workshops, or these public workshops might only be content marketing for your brand. That's the point of delivering these presentations in public. Your audience can see if they want to work with you more, or see if they want to check out any of your other work. However, while most conferences allot more time for workshops, workshops are not the same as longer talks. As soon as you call your offering a workshop, the audience expects to perform some work. While an audience might be willing to listen to a talk or a panel, the audience now expects to do some discovery or guided learning. That often means you now become an expert facilitator, not just an expert speaker. You can integrate interactions and simulations into the overall design, as in the section, Consider the Timing. To make a workshop as effective as possible, consider my rule of thumb. Include an interaction of some sort every 15 to 20 minutes. You might want more interactions or fewer. That's just my guideline.